Hey carpet cleaners, John here. This is part 2 of a 3-part series where I'm reviewing the best Facebook groups for carpet cleaners right now. If you've never heard of me before, my name's John Williams and I run a company called Ads Grow Business. We specialize in one industry only, the carpet cleaning industry. We specialize in one thing only, getting carpet cleaning businesses like yours booked out with jobs on autopilot using our specialist digital marketing system. I'm on a personal mission to try and help as many carpet cleaning businesses as humanly possible, not just survive but thrive, whether that's working with us on a one-on-one basis or through this YouTube channel. So without further ado, let's dive right in. Part 2, the best Facebook groups for carpet cleaners online right now. Let's move on to the Carpet Cleaners Lounge. This is obviously a bit smaller. This has got 2.9 thousand members, so just shy of 3,000 members. I don't really come here that often. It's probably one that many of you haven't heard of so much. What I can say is that it's nowhere near as engaged as some of these other ones. You know, you can see there's like a lot of posts here. A lot of them have 0 comments, 0 likes, maybe 1 or 2 at the most. It seems like there's a lot of people in here that's just like advertising their own carpet cleaning company to other carpet cleaners. It's kind of weird. It's kind of strange. There's a lot of advertising going on here. This person shared some work that they did. Cool, man. Awesome. Just got 1 like. So as a resource, as a community, would I recommend Carpet Cleaners Lounge? I'm not sure if I would, to be honest with you. If we have a look at the admins here, it's got 3 admins. So I would really love to see these guys put a bit more effort into getting their group engaged and stuff like that. It's definitely nowhere near as engaged as Mason's network. But having said that, you may find inside here, there may well be, you know, something. I mean, let's just scroll through. Somebody's advertising a website. Again, somebody's asked the question, what happened to Greg Allen? I've not heard or seen from him for a while. Somebody's liked it, no comments, no replies. So it's just one of those ones, yeah, not the best. Let's move on to Carpet Professor's page. I really like this one as well, on the same level that I like Mason's network. It's another one that's got a good number of members. It's got 6.6 thousand members. The admin of this group, the main guy of this group, is a guy called Tim Yeater. I had the pleasure of doing a Zoom call with him myself recently. He's a lovely guy. He gave up his time to have a chat with me. He also has his own chemicals company as well as owning a carpet cleaning business. And from what I can gather, the chemicals are fabulous and come highly recommended. But what's really cool is if we go into the discussion, if I hit here, he does like a lot of content in here. He does a lot of teaching and stuff like that. It's very educational. There's a lot to learn. He definitely gives like a lot of value, as you can see here. There's a lot of content. I mean, this is a 1 hour 21, you know, questions and answers for other carpet cleaners. There's a lot of value that this guy gives. There's a lot of training content. So I really highly recommend this Carpet Professors page as well. And again, you know, there's a lot of people in here and it's a well-engaged group. So if you've got questions, then you will get comments, you will get likes, you will get answers. And there's a lot of people, you know, sharing tips and stuff like that. I know everyone is busy right now, the weather's changing, but a good tip to generate extra business for winter is to start telling your customers now to call you after fall and let you clean their outdoor furniture. You know, some guys give me some tips here, people reviewing the chemicals and talking about the chemicals that are really working well for them. They've got different courses and programs coming up, training, carpet cleaning techniques and stuff like that. So I think it's a great group. Likewise to the Masons network, I think there's a lot of great educational content in here. There's a lot of great support, there's a lot of great help, and you don't see many arguments go on either. It seems like it's a really nice community to be a part of. So highly recommend the Carpet Professors Facebook group. Go and check it out. Hit the join button. The actual URL is like some code. It's definitely something that those guys probably want to have a look at. It's very easy to switch up, but I'm pretty sure if you search on Facebook for the Carpet Professors, you will find it. Get joined. There's a lot of great people in here giving a lot of great content. And again, with that search button there, that little magnifying glass, you can search inside the group and you'll find, you know, whatever you're looking for. I guarantee it's been discussed and you'll find exactly what you guys otherwise need. So I hope that you enjoyed this 3-part series. If you did, don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button so that you get notified of when the next video comes out. And if you'd like to find out a little bit more about working with us on a one-on-one basis to take your carpet cleaning business to the next level, do head down to the description where you'll find the necessary links to book a call with us. Cheers.